Okay, lean in for a second. If you're the kind of person who can feel when a system is holding you back, the IT13 is going to hit you immediately. This isn't for someone who tolerates lag or excuses. This is for someone who expects their machine to respond the moment an idea hits. Before we go any further, check the current price and stock. Compact, high-end machines like this don't stay quietly available for long. You probably remember the exact moment your old setup exposed its limits. A heavy project loading slower than it should. Fans ramping up during tasks that used to be easy. That subtle frustration of knowing you're capable of more, but your hardware isn't. Switching to this feels like snapping back into alignment. The hesitation disappears. The waiting disappears. In daily use, it changes the rhythm of everything you do. Editing feels fluid instead of segmented. Multitasking across displays feels natural instead of forced. Long work sessions stay cool, focused, and silent enough that you forget the machine is even there. Even casual gaming or 4K streaming feels locked in, not fragile. You stop thinking about performance because it's always there when you need it. What really stands out isn't raw speed, it's control. Windows opens instantly. Heavy apps don't hesitate. Once you experience this level of responsiveness, going back to anything slower feels like choosing friction on purpose. If you're even considering it, don't wait for stock shifts or random price spikes to make the decision for you. You might wonder if a mini desktop can truly deliver top-tier power without compromise. That doubt fades fast. This isn't downsized performance, it's refined performance. The surprise benefit is how future-proof it feels. Expandable, adaptable, and ready to grow instead of boxing you in. There's a real sense of ownership pride here. You sit down and feel like everything is exactly where it should be. You don't feel like you upgraded, you feel like you leveled up. Instant responsiveness every single day handles demanding workloads without tension, keeps your workspace clean and intentional, stays cool and composed under pressure, feels premium the moment you use it. Out-of-box memory may invite expansion not aimed at full-tower GPU builds. At some point, you stop comparing charts and tabs. You choose the system you already knew matched your standards. Every time you consider something weaker or less refined, you come right back here. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay and regret later. If you're ready to work, create, and play without compromise, check the price and make the move. The IT13 is built for people who don't settle.